Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 12th Standard Business Mathematics and Statistics, Chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.3. Now problem number 10. You are given demand equation and supply equation. Demand equation and supply equations are given. Determine the consumer surplus and producer surplus under market equilibrium. Demand equation, let it be number 1, and supply equation number 2. From demand equation you have to find out the demand function. In demand function, from the given equation, we have to find out P in terms of X. That is a demand function. How to find? Equation number 1 square implies. This is equation number 1. Square. X becomes X square. A root of 100 minus P, the whole square. Square and square root get cancelled. So x squared equals 100 minus p. Minus p comes left hand side p. 100 plus x squared comes right hand side minus x squared. Look at that. You are given x in terms of p. We got p in terms of x. This is a demand function. This is a demand equation. Okay. Now P, that is 100 minus x squared. In general, we are considering the demand equation as f of x. F of x, that is equal to 100 minus x squared. Even we can write P as PD. PD refers a demand function. Okay, now equation number 2 implies x, that is equal to p by 2 minus 100. We can write x minus 100 comes left hand side plus 100, that is equal to p by 2. Cross multiply 2 into x plus 100. Sorry, this is not 100, 10. Change it, 10. Okay, 10, that is equal to p. 2 into x plus 10, that is equal to p, which implies p equals 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 10, 20. You just note down ps. That means supply function. In general, we are considering supply function as g of x. G of x, that is equal to 2x plus 20. So we have a demand function and supply function. Okay, for your reference, I write here demand function. This one is the supply function. If you are given the demand and the supply function, you will be writing at equilibrium PD, that is equal to PS. What is PD? PD here it is 100 minus x square. PS here it is 2x plus 20. So minus x square comes right hand side plus x square, and 2x as it is, 20 as it is. This 100 comes right hand side minus 100. Nothing in left hand side. I have to write 0. So write x square plus 2x. 20 minus 100, that is equal to minus 80 equals 0. I can factorize. The coefficient of x square is 1. 1 into minus 80 equal to minus 80. And the coefficient of x is 2. We have to find the two numbers. Product of the two numbers equals minus 80. Sum of the same two numbers equals 2. The two numbers are 10 and minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. 10 into minus 8 is minus 80. For finding the values of x directly, consider the coefficient of x square. What is here? 1. Change the sign, write in the denominator. Write minus 1 and minus 1. plus divide by minus, minus 10 by 1 is 10, so minus 10. Here minus minus get cancelled, 8 by 1 that is equal to 8. In general, I have told you x cannot be negative. In this model question, x cannot be negative. X equals 8, which implies x naught also 8, because x and x naught are equal. Now substitute the value of x equals 8. When x equals 8, we have to find out p. P and p naught are equal. For finding the value of p, can consider either PD or PS. I am going to take PS. 2x plus 20. 2x, x value is 8 plus 20. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 20, that is equal to 36. So P naught equals 36. Even if we replace the value of x, that is x equal to 8, in equation number, in PD, you will be getting the same answer. Here x value 8. 8 square 64. 100 minus 64, that is equal to same 36. Okay. Therefore, P naught x naught equals, P naught value is 36, x naught value is 8, that is equal to 288. Now we can find consumer surplus. CS formula, integral 0 to x naught f of x dx minus p naught x naught. 0 to x naught value is 8. F of x, here it is, that is a demand function, 100 minus x square dx minus p naught x naught value, here it is 288. 100 into dx integration, write the constant 100 as it is, integral dx is x minus x power 2 integration, x power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. We know that integral x power n dx, that is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Integration is over, you have to apply the limits. That is equal to, write 100x minus x power 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 3, limit 0 to 8 minus 288 equals. Now apply the upper limit is 8. So 100 into 8 minus 8 cube divided by 3, upper limit is over, minus the lower limit is 0, replace x by 0, 100 into 0 0, 0 cube is 0, 0 by 3 0, total is 0, minus 288. 100 into 8, that is equal to 800. 8 cube means 8 into 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 64 8s are 512. Divided by 3, minus 288. Okay. 800 minus 288, that is equal to 512. Minus 512 divided by 3. Can divide, after that you can subtract, or else you can take 512 as common. If we take 512 as common, it will be 1, getting 1 minus 1 by 3. So 512 into 1 is 512, 512 into 1 by 3 is 512 by 3. 512 write as it is, into 3 ones are 3 minus 1 whole divided by 3. So LCM is 3. So 3 minus 1 by 3 equals 512 into 2 by 3. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10 units. You can stop the result at this stage, or else you can divide. 124 divided by 3 equals 3 3s are 9, balance 1, 3 4s are 12, bring down 4, 3 1s are 3, balance 1, point 1 cannot be, so put the decimal point here, 0, 3 3s are 9, again 1, 0, 3 3s are 9, again 1, 0, it is going on. So here 341, or you can write the result 341.33 units. It's approximate value only, because you are not getting the remainder 0. Right, now we have to find out the producer surplus. Producer surplus, that is PS. Formula P naught x naught minus integral 0 to x naught g of x dx. We know the value of P naught x naught. What is the value? 288 minus 0 to x naught value is 8. G of x is the supply function. Here it is what it is, 2x plus 20. 2x plus 20 dx equals 288. 2x, 2x power 1 integration is x power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, same formula, plus 20 is the constant, right, as it is. Integral dx is x, limit 0 to 8 equals 288. 2x 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 2 plus 20x, limit 0 to 8. 2 to get cancelled. 288. Apply the upper limit. What is the upper limit? 8 square. 20 into 8. Upper limit is over. Minus. Lower limit is 0. 0 square 0. 20 into 0. 0. Together 0. Equals 288. 8 squared 64. 20 into 8 160. That is equal to 288 minus, add together 224. 288 minus 224, that is equal to 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 2, that is equal to 6. 2 minus 2 0. 64 units. That's all. Problem number 10 is over. I'll be teaching problem number 11 in the next video. Thank you, children.